The advancement of science and technology has made human life much easier. Now we are heading toward a future where electricity may no longer require wires. That means electricity can be transmitted through the air, without any cables. This technology is called wireless electricity or wireless power transmission. This concept began nearly 100 years ago. Famous scientist Nikola Tesla built a tower in the 1890s, through which he tried to transmit electricity through the air. Although it wasn't successful back then, scientists are now working to make that dream a reality. Today, we see smaller versions of this technology in wireless phone chargers, electric toothbrushes, and EV charging pads. The most notable example is DARPA's experiment, where U.S. scientists successfully transmitted electricity via laser over a distance of 8 kilometers. The biggest advantage of this technology is that electricity can easily be sent to remote mountains, islands, or disaster-prone areas. In the future, cities might run without wires, and even drones, robots, and vehicles could charge directly from the air. However, there are some important problems with this. Firstly, a lot of energy is lost in the air during wireless transmission. Secondly, using microwaves or lasers can be harmful to the human body, especially the eyes, skin, or brain. Long-term exposure to such radiation may cause tissue damage, hinder fetal development, and even increase the risk of cancer. Birds and other animals that fly or depend on the air may also be affected by excessive radiation. For example, birds' eyes or wings might be damaged, their navigation system disrupted, and forced migration could threaten biodiversity. All in all, wireless electricity holds great potential for the future. But without proper use, both human health and nature could be harmed. So, this technology must be used with caution, safety, and eco-friendly planning. Only then can we truly light up the world wirelessly, without causing harm.